As the snowstorm swallowed our group, we stumbled upon an abandoned cabin for refuge. Relief turned to dread as we discovered an old diary, recounting our very predicament. The author, identical to my handwriting, detailed our deaths one by one. Panic set in as each entry unfolded like a sinister prophecy. I reached the final page, realizing it was blank, except for one sentence: "You're next." The chilling truth froze my breath as the wind howled accusations. I turned to the others, only to see them mirroring my shock. The diary whispered a haunting revelation: we were ghosts, reliving our demise eternally. Amid the relentless snowstorm, I sought refuge in an isolated cabin. As darkness engulfed, I noticed peculiar photographs adorning the walls. Each depicted my arrival, progression, and terror, frozen moments eerily anticipated. Desperation gripped me when I recognized a photo capturing my current horror-stricken state. Panic consumed as I realized the camera, resting ominously in a corner, was capturing my ordeal in advance. I tore through the cabin, resisting the inevitable, but with each struggle, I fell into the clutches of the predestined frames. The photographs, both prophecy and prison, whispered a chilling truth: I was trapped in a snapshot of my own demise. Lost in a snowstorm, I stumbled upon an ancient mansion. Inside, portraits lined the walls, each with eyes that followed my every move. The air turned frigid as spectral whispers urged me deeper. In a forgotten chamber, I discovered a mirror reflecting ghastly faces, distorted by centuries of despair. Panic surged when my reflection grinned malevolently, refusing to mimic my horror. The room's icy grip tightened as the otherworldly whispers revealed a chilling truth: I had become a mere reflection, trapped to lure wanderers into the mansion's frozen embrace. The portrait's silent screams echoed, warning of a fate now intertwined with theirs.